Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy pickles. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, crisp cucumbers. You'll want to choose smaller ones, typically 3 to 5 inches in length for the best texture. Next, prepare your brine by combining water, vinegar, pickling salt, and a touch of sugar. Remember to sterilize your jars and lids thoroughly to ensure a safe and delicious batch of pickles. Now let's talk about bringing the heat. To make your pickles truly spicy, you'll want to add fresh chili peppers. Sliced jalapenos or even hotter habaneros work wonderfully, depending on your preferred spice level. Don't forget to include whole spices like mustard seeds, dill seeds, and garlic cloves for depth of flavor. A pinch of red pepper flakes can also boost the heat significantly. Once your cucumbers and spices are ready, it's time to pack them into your sterilized jars. Arrange the cucumbers snugly, adding your chosen spices evenly throughout. Carefully pour the hot brine over everything, making sure to leave about 0.5 inch of headspace at the top. Then, process your filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes to create a proper seal and ensure shelf stability. After processing, the hardest part is waiting. Allow your spicy pickles to cure for at least 2 weeks. This resting period is crucial for the flavors to fully develop and meld. Store your sealed jars in a cool, dark pantry where they can last for up to 1 year. Once opened, always refrigerate your pickles and enjoy them within 2 to 3 weeks for optimal freshness and crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.